Well, the Classic 350 has got some mixed reactions since its launch because a lot of people have been complaining that the thump that they're used to with the regular Classic 350 is gone. Personally, if you ask me, I've been riding this bike for over a week and I love this bike, and it is definitely an improvement over the old Classic 350. Now, this video is not about how the Classic 350 rides, it's about the accessories that it comes with. And we have this fully accessorized Classic 350 in chrome red, and in this video we're going to show you all the accessories that have been put on this bike, the prices of them, and if they are really functional or not. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Vipul, and let's do this quick walk around of the accessories on the Classic 350. Now let's start with the front. In the front itself you will get this Aero Visor. This goes on for 850 rupees as an accessory pack. The regular bike without the accessory gets a ring that the regular Classic gets. Now it does have some kind of function. It covers the light from the top, giving you a better throw of light. It also comes with this nice Royal Enfield emblem right here. Now here you have the windscreen, which costs 3,950 rupees. It comes with the entire assembly kit, and if you ask me, it is very functional. It does a very good job in deflecting wind, and when you're riding at speeds above 100 kmph, it does a very good job. Next, let's move on to these nice looking mirrors. Now these are touring mirrors. They are pretty expensive. They would set you back by 6,250 rupees, and they are pretty nice. You can adjust them easily. And for my liking, this is a little small. I would have preferred a larger circular mirror. You can see what's happening behind you. However, it's not very large. I would have preferred a wider mirror here. Now let's move to the sides. So here you have the Fly engine guard. Now this will cost you 4,250 rupees. And it does a pretty good job of covering not only the engine, guarding not only the engine but also your legs. It's made of solid steel, and it adds to the chrome elements on the Royal Enfield Classic chrome that we have got here. Now this bike has also been equipped with the silver colored foot pegs that Royal Enfield calls Deluxe Footpegs. They're pretty wide than the regular standard foot pegs that Royal Enfield provides with the Classic. And these would cost you 2,500 rupees. Now there is also a solid bash plate here that Royal Enfield calls the Sumpguard. This costs 2,750 rupees. Adding to the 170 millimeters of ground clearance, this adds additional protection for your engine. Now that does not mean that you can take the bike off-roading, and if you do so, it is going to protect the engine of the bike from stones and pebbles that might come across your way. Now let's move to the seat. These are the touring seats, and you can get it as a single piece or a set of two, and if you take a pair, the full set, that would cost you 6,700 rupees. There's also this backrest assembly here. Now this assembly and the backrest itself are sold separately, but combined together they will cost you 2,550 rupees. Also, under the rider seat there are these springs for added cushioning and comfort, and these springs will set you back by 1,150 rupees. So those are the accessories that have been added to this Classic 350, and we wanted to show you how the bike looks when it is fully accessorized. Now you can head to the Royal Enfield official website and check out all these accessories. There are different colors and different variations. Now some variants of the Classic 350 come in black, they come with alloy wheels, they come with black engines. So the guards, the mirrors, there are different options that you can choose from, and you can personalize the bike to your liking. So you can check that out on the Royal Enfield website. That being said, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked the video, if you found value from this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Motoroids for more automotive content, and whenever you're searching for automotive content, always make sure that you add Motoroids to your searches and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload our next video. This is Vipul signing off. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, rev hard, rev free, and ride safe.